Dear students, we already discussed these 33 formulae from this way, 6 from here, this formula, 6 from here, 6 from 3 from identities, and 6 from clockwise relation, 6 from anti-clockwise, and 6 from alternatively method, and 6 is come from reciprocal way. 6 is rule number 8, reciprocal. So there reciprocal is just this is opposite to this one, this is opposite to this one, this is opposite to this one. So now this is, suppose sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta, or tan theta is 1 upon cot theta, or sec theta is 1 upon cos theta is 1 upon sec theta, cot theta is 1 upon tan theta, or cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. These are the 6 more. So 39 formulas come from here in this lesson. So now then 36 identities are coming from in this way. So now here is T ratios we are written here: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Similar way, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta from here. Now it is, if sin theta is changed into sin theta, so we can write here as it is. This is sin theta. If sin theta we want to change into cos theta, that is root 1 minus cos square theta we can write. Now sin theta in terms of cot theta, tan theta we can write, that is equals to, now either we can write here tan theta upon root 1 plus tan square theta. If we are solving this identity, we are finding this also. Now if sin theta in return of cot theta, that is root 1 plus tan square theta upon tan, so cot theta we want to write here in terms of cot theta. So this is equals to 1 upon root 1 plus cot square theta. Sec theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta, root here is root sec square theta minus 1 upon sec theta. This is we can write in term of sin theta. If we want to change into sec theta, then we can write like this. If sin theta in terms of cosec theta, this is equals to 1 upon cosec theta. Similarly, cos theta change into sin, that is written like this, 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now that is equals to cos theta. Cos theta is here is same. Similarly, now 1 upon 1 plus, this is equals to in terms of tan theta, that is 1 upon root 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now if we want to write this into cot square theta, that is cot theta, this is cot theta upon root 1 plus cot square theta in terms of cot theta. If cos theta we want to in terms of cot theta, we can write like this. Then cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. If cos theta in terms of cosec square theta, then it is changed into cosec square theta minus 1 upon cosec theta. Now tan theta in terms of sin theta. So we can write it like this. This is sin theta divided by this. Then it is sin theta divided by root 1 minus sin square theta. And this is divided by this. This is root 1 minus cos square theta is divided by this cos theta. Similarly, this is divided by this. It means here is tan theta. This is divided by this, that it is here, that is 1 upon cot theta. This is divided to this one, then here is root sec theta is cancelled, then sec square theta minus 1. This is also divided by this. This is equals to 1 upon root cos sec square theta minus 1. Similar way, this cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta, then this will come in the numerator. This is 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta, and this is here is this is cos theta upon root 1 minus cos square theta. In terms of this is cos theta upon sin theta. It means here will be 1 upon tan theta. This is cos theta, that is cos theta. This is divided, then it is here is cos theta. This value is divided by this, then here is cos theta, and this is divided to this, that here is this is equals to 1 upon sec square theta minus 1. So this value is divided by this, then here is root 4 sec square theta minus 1. Now then sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. It means this is 1 upon root 1 minus sin square theta, and here is 1 upon cos theta, and this its reciprocal is root 1 plus tan square theta, and the reciprocal of this, that is equals to root 1 plus cot square theta upon cot theta, and its reciprocal is sec theta, and its reciprocal is cos sec theta upon root cos sec square theta minus 1. And cosec theta is reciprocal of this sin theta. It means here is 1 upon sin theta. The reciprocal of this is 1 upon root 1 minus cos square theta. The reciprocal of this one is written here, root 1 plus tan square theta upon tan theta, and the reciprocal of this is, we can write here, that is root 1 plus cot square theta, and the reciprocal of this is sec theta upon root sec square theta minus 1. Reciprocal of this is cosec theta. So this is the entire tables. There are 36 formulas come from here, and 39 formulas come from here. So there are lot of information you can get from this board only. So one again I re-memorize once again quickly. First of all, we write Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. First, this is Pandit Badri Prasad. It means P upon H. This is sin theta. This is base upon hypotenuse. This is cos theta. This is tan theta. Then base upon perpendicular. This is cot theta. This is sec theta. This is cosec theta. 6 ratios come from here. This is the basic formula for the trigonometric ratio. Now we arrange into the hexagonal form: sin theta cos theta, tan theta cos theta, sec theta cosec theta. this is complementary angles, just opposite. One half is right side, one half is left side. So likewise, sine theta is the complementary of, like this we can write sine 90 minus theta. It means this is opposite to this one, this is equals to cos theta. Or if cos 90 minus theta we can write, then it is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. 6 formulas come from here. Now trigonometric identity we can arrange in this pattern. So we arrange this hexagon in the horizontal form. So sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta, tan theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Then 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is sec square theta. 3 trigonometric identities will come from here in this way. Now clockwise relation. Clockwise relation is like this. If tan theta we write, then sin theta upon cos theta. Oh, sin theta is cos theta upon cot theta. Cos theta is cot theta upon cosec theta. Cot theta is cosec theta upon sec theta. Cosec theta is sec theta upon tan theta. Sec theta is tan theta upon sin theta. Or tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. 6 TC ratios come from here. Then anti-clockwise. Now this time is anti-clockwise, just opposite to the clockwise relation. Now then suppose sin cos theta, suppose we can write, then it is equals to sin theta upon tan theta. Sin theta is equals to tan theta upon sec theta. Tan theta is sec theta upon cosec theta. Sec theta is cosec theta upon cot theta. Then cosec theta is cot theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, anti-clockwise and clockwise. 6 from clockwise relation, 6 from anti-clockwise relations you can do. Now multiplicative by alternative method. Alternative method is like this: A, B, C and D we can written. Then now if, for example, if we want to tan theta is just one side is sec theta, one side is sin theta. The product of this sec theta into sin theta is equals to tan theta. We can write. This is the alternative method. So we can write, suppose sin theta is cos theta into tan theta. Cos theta is sin theta into cot theta. Cot theta is cos theta into cosec theta. Cosec theta is sec theta into cot theta. Sec theta is tan theta into cosec theta. So similarly, 6 formulas come from here. Now reciprocal, just opposite. This sin theta is opposite to the cosec theta. Tan theta is opposite to cot theta. Sec theta is opposite to sec theta. So suppose here is sin theta. Sin theta, their opposite is cosec theta, so it means 1 upon cosec theta. We can write either cos theta is opposite to sec theta, this is 1 upon sec theta, or similarly cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta also we can write. 6 formulas come from here. Now rule number 9. Product of 2. Suppose sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta, or the product of sin theta into cosec theta. It means opposite T ratios product is equals to 1. For example, sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. 3 formulas come from here. Opposite multiplication. Okay, now like sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. 3 formulas come from here. So total formula is 42 from here and 36. It means 42 plus 36, that is 8. 78 formulas come from here. Okay, I hope this video is very beneficial for every student. So dear students, you can see a lot of video in Sanskaram Public Schools apps like these videos. So every student, please look this video and understand this video very well and share to your friends, so that every students can get the benefits. Thank you.